Every body system has a specific task that keeps you alive. A single system can't do it alone. They all work together. And for you to move, two systems must work together. Let's look at the amazing skeletal and muscular systems. The skeletal system. Our bones are organized into a skeleton, an inner or internal framework. Other animals, like dogs or snakes, have skeletons inside their bodies too. There is a whole class of animals that have skeletons on the outside. Insects have exoskeletons. Looking at an insect, it's easy to see that their exoskeleton provides shape, support, and shields them from harm. How does the inner skeleton do that for people? The bones of our legs and hips support our body weight. Our ribs support and protect our heart and lungs like a shield. The skull is like a helmet for our brain. There are 206 bones in the adult skeleton. The major bones are the skull, clavicle, ribs, humerus, radius, ulna, vertebrae, pelvis, femur, patella, fibula, and tibia. The building blocks of the system. Bones come in many shapes and sizes. Their shape is related to their job. For example, the long bones of your legs are strong to support your weight. The irregular shaped bones, the vertebrae, that make up your spine are shaped to stack one on top of the other. So your backbone is actually many bones working together. Bone is living, growing tissue made of living cells and layers of tissue that contain minerals such as phosphorus and calcium. The covering of each bone has blood vessels that bring nutrients and oxygen to the living bone cells and take away the waste. Bones are hard, but are not all solid. They are layered in two types of bone: compact bone, which is more solid or dense, and spongy bone. Not a soft and smushy sponge, but with lots of holes, like a dried sea sponge. Inside the spongy bone spaces is a soft tissue called marrow. Yellow marrow is made of fat cells and is a backup energy supply for the body. Red marrow makes something your body needs everywhere: new blood cells. Red blood cells that deliver oxygen to all parts of the body, and white blood cells that fight off the attack of germs.
Bones are strong, but they can break.
But bone is living tissue. So soon after someone breaks a bone, new bone cells begin to form. Within a few days,